Miss Joanne from the Berkeley Library, and this month we're making pumpkin spice Muddy Buddies. I love all the pumpkin flavors of fall, and I can't wait to try this new recipe. We start out by taking a cup of white chocolate chips and pouring them into a microwave-safe bowl. Then we add a quarter cup of peanut butter. And a quarter cup of butter. That's half a stick. Now we're going to stick this in the microwave, going about 20 seconds at a time, keeping an eye on it and stirring in between until it's all melted. All right, it's all melted, nice and smooth. It smells so good. I love peanut butter. Now we add in a quarter cup of pumpkin puree. This is pumpkin, not pumpkin pie mix, okay? Gotta read the label carefully. And we do a teaspoon of pumpkin pie mix? Yeah, pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can just use regular old cinnamon, or if you want to throw in some nutmeg, any other seasonal spices. And a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to give that a good stir now. Now that this is all mixed together, we're going to pour it over 9 cups of Chex cereal. I'm using corn Chex, but if you prefer another flavor, go for it. And toss it gently so that all the cereal gets coated. Okay, the cereal is all coated now with our peanut butter, pumpkin, white chocolate mixture. Now we're going to take 2 gallon Ziploc baggies and put some powdered sugar in it. They haven't made a Ziploc baggie big enough to do this whole batch at once, so we have to split it up. All right, now about half goes into one. And half goes in the other. All right, now we seal up the bag really well. Maybe get a grown-up to help you with this. And give it a good shake until the pieces get coated in powdered sugar. Take a baking sheet. I put some wax paper on it just to make cleanup easier. And you lay everything out, spread it out so the pieces can dry. So we've let these cool off for a little bit on the baking sheet. I'm gonna put them back into the bowl here. Let's see if I can do it without making a huge mess. Oops. All right, maybe like a little, not a huge mess. Okay, maybe more than a little mess, but it's not too bad, it's not too bad. Then we're gonna take some Reese's Pieces and sprinkle them in. Give it a good toss to mix it together. And then you can enjoy it, it's ready to go. But you know what? If you wanted to add candy corn instead or along with the Reese's Pieces, that'd be nice. You could also use sun butter or something else. If you are allergic to peanut butter, you have guests coming who can't have peanuts, you can use an alternative. So there's lots of ways you can change the recipe a little bit to make it fit your needs. And I can't wait to go try this and share this with all my friends in the library.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.